Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down and click on Biometrics. Then tap on Face Recognition at the top and enter your current login method. Now read the disclaimer. Click on Continue and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then tap on Continue again. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to, by tapping on the switchers next to them. You can also click on Add Alternative Appearance to enhance recognition and add your face data again. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to disable Face Unlock feature, tap on Face Recognition again, enter your current login method, and tap on this switcher next to Face Unlock. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete face data completely, click on Remove Face Data at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!